Sometimes a photo captures more than just a moment. Sometimes it captures something that shouldn't be there. These 5 images have no clear explanation, and no one has ever proven them false. In 1919, a group photo was taken of Royal Air Force servicemen at a military base in England. At first glance, it looks like a typical squadron portrait. But just behind one of the airmen, a ghostly face can be seen. The men who knew him immediately recognized the face. It was Freddy Jackson, a mechanic who had died 2 days earlier in a tragic propeller accident. The photo was taken on the day of his funeral, and yet, there he was, blurry but unmistakable, standing in the background, as if nothing had happened. The crew insisted it wasn't a trick of the light. Some believed Freddy simply didn't realize he was gone. Others said he came back for one last photo with his team. The image has never been debunked, and remains one of the most famous ghost photos ever taken. Deep in a remote valley in central Norway, something strange has been happening for decades. Since the early 1980s, locals and tourists alike have witnessed mysterious lights in the sky, glowing orbs that hover, dart, and even change color. Some appear for just a second, others stay suspended for over an hour. Scientists from around the world have studied the phenomenon. They've captured it on video, radar, and even infrared, but the cause, still unknown. These aren't airplanes. They don't match any known natural phenomenon. Some believe they're plasma discharges from underground minerals. Others think it's something not of this earth. One thing's for sure, the Hessdalen Lights are real, and they continue to appear, silently, unpredictably, as if watching from above. Orbiting high above Earth, there may be something watching us, and it's not man-made. For decades, astronomers and space agencies have detected a strange dark object circling the planet in a polar orbit. That's unusual, because before the 1960s, no human technology used polar orbits. In 1998, NASA released photos taken during a spacewalk near the International Space Station. One image showed a bizarre black object, angular, irregular, almost like a stealth probe. Conspiracy theorists called it the Black Knight satellite. Some believe it's an ancient alien device, monitoring Earth for thousands of years. Others think it's debris, or a misunderstood thermal blanket. But here's the thing. The object has been detected long before that photo. In 1954, long before Sputnik, newspapers reported that the U.S. Air Force had spotted 2 unknown satellites orbiting Earth. Is it a glitch? A cover-up? Or are we not as alone in space as we think? In December 1964, a family vacationing off the coast of Hook Island, Australia, captured something extraordinary. While exploring the shallow waters, they spotted a massive, dark shape beneath the surface. The father grabbed his camera and took several photos. The creature appeared to be over 30 feet long, resembling a giant tadpole or snake-like monster. Its eyes were large and lifeless. It seemed to be resting or watching. The images quickly spread, and experts were baffled. Marine biologists couldn't match the creature to any known species. Skeptics claimed it might be a trick, a piece of fabric, a hoax. But the photos? They were never proven fake. Decades later, we still don't know what the family saw in those calm waters. A rare animal, a prehistoric survivor, or something that was never meant to be seen? In 1959, a woman named Mabel Chinnery took a photo of her husband sitting alone in their car. They had just visited the cemetery where her mother had recently been buried. But when the photo was developed, there was something wrong. Behind her husband, in the back seat, sat a woman wearing glasses. Mabel immediately recognized the face. It was her mother, the same woman they had just said goodbye to days earlier. Experts examined the negative and found no signs of tampering, no double exposure, no reflections. The figure was clear, distinct, and, according to Mabel, impossible to fake. Some say it was a trick of light. Others believe it was something else entirely. A final ride, perhaps, before letting go.